G'day everybody, I'm Cole Dart from Allweld. We're based here in Newcastle. Certainly have branches around Australia if you need for light work. I'm being asked to come in here and support Pure Plate in providing packages. If you don't know what you're doing and you want to start building your boat, then this is where we start. So I've got a few different packages here, and this is where you really need to start. So you'll need a pulse MIG, a single phase pulse MIG. So you can use some aluminium pulse welding. It needs to be a twin pulse. So this little beauty here, the 200 Uni MIG razor, is perfect for its digital front, single phase, ideal. Then you'll need an AC/DC TIG, which once again, the same family, which will give you all your intricate TIG welding, and it's a pulse as well. You'll obviously need yourself a helmet, and you'll need a reasonable quality helmet. You'll need at least 4 sensors, because if you're at low amp TIG, you don't want it to flicker, so you'll need something decent like that. Obviously your welding gloves, and you'll need an abrasive package. These are what you use to dress the welds, and at the end of the day, make it look pretty before you paint it. You'll also need your hand tools, what you're gonna have here, which will be obviously your drills, your sanders, and your grinder we've got down here. These are all Milwaukee, only go with quality, because you want something that's gonna be reliable and something that's gonna do the job and it's gonna last. We have a tool bag, so everything just goes in. This is one of Allweld's own manufactured products that we bring into the country, along with our jackets. This is a lightweight jacket that we call the summer jacket, and then we call that the winter jacket. So the summer jacket is Pro-Band front and back, which is flame retardant material, so it can catch fire. It's got flame retardant protection coating on it. Now that coating's good for 8 washes. I haven't seen anyone wash a welding jacket yet, but then it comes with leather sleeves. So, but the major differences for Allweld is we do innovative things. So we have insulated buttons, so if you can't get a welding shock when you're welding. It has Velcro on it as well, so there's no gaping on the back. If you're doing at height, you have if you're wearing your harness, so you don't get welding spatter on your harness. So that's your summer jacket, and this one's exactly the same jacket, but it's in leather, so it's all leather, front, back, sides, everything. So quite a lot heavier. Now we do another jacket that I didn't bring that's in this color material. It's exactly the same as that, but it's got high vis. So it's 3M high vis striping. So it's certified jackets. Everything we do, we've got certification. We've got all the certs, we've got everything you need to do, independently tested. With the packages that we've developed for you, we've basically given you a startup package. We're working with Luke from Mezcal. He's basically given us an idea what he would like for a startup novice to do, because he knows the boat build and we know the product. So we've got together, and this is the range that if someone had absolutely nothing, this is what you would have. And it'll give you everything. So you've got 3 rolls of wire, which will build your boat. You've got a packet of TIG rod, which will do your TIG welding. Then it's got your sanding, and it's got your tooling. And you keep that for life. If you're doing 1 boat a year, this is fine. 3 boats a year, probably this is fine. These are designed for the entry-level backyarder who wants to build his own boat, restore his car. This is not restricted to just boats, but yeah, you can use it on any project you want. I would only upgrade if you were doing it weekly.